Part-whole ratios. In this video, you will learn about part-to-whole ratios. Let's see an example. Samantha owns black cats and white cats. The ratio of black cats to the total number of cats is 4:7. If Samantha has 16 black cats, how many white cats does she have? As the name implies, one side of the ratio represents the whole, while the other represents a part. Here, the ratio of black cats and total number of cats is given as 4:7. For every 7 cats she has, only 4 are black cats. Therefore, the remaining will be white cats. To find that, you must subtract the black cats ratio from the total number of cats. 7 take away 4 equals 3. So, the ratio of black cats and white cats is 4:3. The question says Samantha has 16 black cats. To find the number of white cats, you need to scale up the ratio. Now, we can place 16 beneath 4 as it refers to the black cats. Then, we need to think what number should be multiplied with 4 to get 16, and it would be 4. Next, we have to multiply the right-hand side of the ratio with 4 as well. It will be 3 times 4 equals 12, and the new ratio is 16:12. So, Samantha has 16 black cats and 12 white cats.